Good morning, students. Myself Rashmi Singh. I am your GK teacher of class 3rd. So, students, today's our topic is My Best Friends from chapter number 3, and our book is Together with Journal Awareness. So, children, today we will study pages 8 to 9. Before reading this chapter, children, I want to tell you something about your environment, something about your friend, so that you will understand this chapter in very well manner. So, students, you have many friends at your school, at your neighbors, है ना? You help them and they also help you in need. Okay, student, like them, our nature. In our nature, many trees, birds, animals, they all are your friends. They are very friendly to you. So, students, up now I want to show your course book. This is your course book, Journal Awareness. Full form of your book is Together with Journal Awareness for class 3. And students, this is your today's chapter, My Best Friends. So we will learn about it. So children, today we will learn about some bird friends. So first is written here, hummingbird. Hello, I am hummingbird from Cuba. It lives in Cuba. I am the smallest of all the birds. Its size is very small. Let me introduce you to the worlds of birds. So we will discuss about many birds in the world. So next, birds. They have feathers that help them fly high in the air. So children, you know that birds are fly with the help of their wings, their feathers. Some of their friends like penguin, kiwi, ostrich can run faster than a horse. So, ostrich is a bird that cannot fly, that can only run faster than a horse. So, it is a fastest runner bird in the world. There are more than 8,500 different kind of birds in the world. How many birds are there in the world? There are more than 8,500 different kinds of birds in the world. So students, here what is this? This is mama bird. So we will talk about mama bird. The mama bird builds nest to protect its egg. Where does it make its nest? The mama bird builds nest to protect its egg and hatches them into little birdies. Okay students, hatches them into little birdies. It makes its nest on the tree. Next is macaw. Macaw is the name of bird. What is its variety? So macaw can crack nuts. What can it do? Macaw can crack nuts. Next is pelican. The pelican can pick out fishes. Pelican can pick out fish. Next is eagle. What do you know about eagle? The eagle can tear the meat with its beak. It is a flesh eater bird. We also use our beak to clean our feathers. We means birds also use their beak to clean their feathers. Next is seagull. Spends much of his time at sea. It is a bird which live in the water. So it spends much of its time at sea. It is very clever bird. It glides over the water. It glides over the water. Glides means swim over the water and swoops down to catch a fish. Swoop down means go into the sea to catch a fish. So students, now further we will do some exercise related to this chapter. Okay. Okay students, what do you see here? There is some pictures of birds. Okay, first is please try to recognize what is the picture of this. This is the picture of bird emu. Second, this one is the pic of flamingo. And third is the picture of peacock. Fourth is the pic of ostrich. And this one is the pic of hen. And this is the picture of penguins. So, what we'll do here? Cross the birds that cannot fly. We have to put sign of cross the birds that cannot fly. So, emu can fly? No, emu cannot fly. So, we put sign of cross here. Okay, students, it's a flamingo. Flamingo can fly. Yes, it can fly. So, we will not put the sign cross here. Okay, peacock. Peacock can also fly. So, we will not put any sign. Okay, ostrich. Can ostrich fly? No, ostrich cannot fly. It is the fastest running bird in the world. So we cross here. This one is also not fly. This one is fly. This one can fly. So we put not any sign here. The penguin. Penguin cannot fly. So we put sign cross here. Okay. In this way we will solve this exercise. Now children, we will match one part of the word with its other part by drawing lines and also guess its name. Okay, this one is the half face of owl and other half face is drawing here. So we will match here to here. What is this? This is the pic of an owl. Okay, this is the half pic of peacock and half pic is here. So we match it from there. This is the pic of peacock. And second, this one is the pic of half pic is here and another half pic is here. So we will match it from there. So the name of this pic is flamingo. And third is the pic. Half pic is here and another pic is here. So we will match. This is the pic of tycoon. So students, now we will solve this question. What is this question? Match one part of the bird with its other part by drawing lines and also guess its name. Okay. So there is a pic. Half pic of owl. And half one is draw here. So we have to draw line from top to bottom. Okay. What is the pic of? Is it? It is the pic of an owl. So next, second pic. Half pic is draw here and another part is draw here. So we should draw line from here to there. So this is the pic of toucan. Third is half pic is also draw here and another part is draw here. So we match it from here to here. This is the pic of flamingo. The fourth is half is here. This is the peak of forest, and here the half peak of peacock. So we match this peak to this peak. So this is the peak of peacock. So students, now we will read it. The bee hummingbird is just 5 centimeter long. The bee hummingbird is just 5 centimeter long and weighs hardly a few grams. It is very light in weight. Even your baby brother can hold it his palm. So this chapter is closed here. I hope you will understand this chapter in very well manner. So thank you so much. We will meet in next video with next chapter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.